Welcome to Elant Technologies, your one-stop solution for all things IT. Whether you're a business, school, or someone looking for personal tech, we've got you covered. Keep watching to learn more about what we do and how we can help you. We specialize in providing a wide range of IT products, from the latest Dell, Apple, HP, Lenovo, and more. Whether you're upgrading your business equipment, setting up a classroom, or just need a new computer for personal use, we have it all. Need parts? We've got you covered with motherboards, SSDs, CPUs, memory cards, keyboards, LCDs, batteries, server parts, and so much more. We carry a vast inventory of both new and refurbished parts, ensuring you get the quality you need at the price you want. And that's not all. At Elant Technologies, we're committed to providing dedicated IT support. Need help setting up a network, troubleshooting, or managing your devices? Our experts are here to assist you every step of the way. Planning an office move or a major IT setup? Let us handle it. We offer office moves, IT setup, and customized solutions tailored to your needs. We help businesses get back up and running with minimal downtime. Team helping move office equipment, setting up workstations. Got old devices collecting dust? Don't throw them away. Recycle with us today and help reduce e-waste while making space for your new equipment. We accept all types of machines. Looking for affordable yet reliable device, our refurbished computers are the perfect choice. All our products undergo strict quality checks to ensure they perform like new. Whether you're buying new, refurbished, or just need parts for repair, we're your trusted partner in tech solutions. We don't just sell products. We're here to build relationships. Our team works closely with you to find the right tech for your needs and budget. From small businesses to large corporations, schools, and individuals, we cater to all. Plus, with our 24/7 IT support services, you can count on us to keep your systems running smoothly. No problem is too big or small for our dedicated team of experts. So whether you need new tech, refurbished products, parts, IT support, or help with setting up your office, we've got the experience and expertise to get you exactly what you need. Contact us today or visit our website to get started. We're here to make IT easy for you.